Hello everybody, I am Hassan Talib from CUKUROVA University NLP course. In this video, we're gonna talk about document summarizer. So first of all, let's start by importing our libraries, which is NLTK, Math Library, Tokenizer, and Word Tokenizer, and Stop Words for Turkish language. After that, we are we are adding our document here. Then we are doing the word tokenizing and calculating the number of words in our document. Then similarly, we are applying the sentence tokenizing and finding the number of sentences. Then we are finding the frequency of terms, the terms frequency. For each word, we're gonna calculate how many times it's frequented in our text, and similarly we do the same thing for our sentences. After that, we are finding the average by dividing by the total number of words in our text, and we find the average for each word in our text. Similarly, we're gonna do the same thing. We're finding the average for sentences. As you can see here, for each sentences, the average of frequency. Then in this function, we are taking a word and sentences in which is in our text. Then this function will decide will find the sentences that contain this word in that sentence for each sentence, and it's create a list of sentences that contain that word, and calculating the length of that list, which is the number of sentences that contain a special word. Here then we are finding the inverse document frequency, which is the importance of each word, the importance of each word. As you can see here, we find the number of sentences that contain each word. Then similarly, we will do the same thing for our sentences. After that, we are calculating the importance of words and sentences by applying the logarithm of the total number of sentences divided by the number of sentences which contain or has the term, a special term. As you can see here, we are performing the logarithm and the dividing by the total number of sentences divided by the sentences that contain that word, each word. As you can see here, similarly we do the same thing for our sentences. After that, we are calculating the our last value of importance by multiplying the for each word the frequency, the number of frequencies for that word by the importance of that word. Similarly, we are doing the same thing for our sentences. As you can see here, we have each word with its final importance, and each sentence with its importance as a data type. Then in our last function, we are finding the most important sentences in our document, and we are printing the most important three sentences, which will be our summary. So that was everything in this video. Thank you for watching.